Aloha there. This is Darcy Frankel, and today's day 22. It's the first day of your last full week, so give it your all. Now, yesterday's lesson was all about body products. What stood out for you? What did you decide to change after that lesson? I'm also curious, what recipes do you love? We recently had the coconut zucchini with the bison. Oh my gosh, it was so delicious. It was also a really great potluck dish, too. Now, this week, you can look forward to feeling even better. We have more cleansing self care practices. I've provided sweet meditations for you, different detox baths, a few short intermittent fasts, another coffee enema, and the week ends with a great lesson called sleep cleansing. Now, today is an eye opening lesson all about EMFs or electromagnetic fields. Tomorrow is your mold lesson and your mold cleanse. So let's start the week off with lots of energy. Now, if it's agreeable to you, I'd like you to have your fasting window from 8 tonight until noon tomorrow. And again, come on over and say hi in our Facebook group. Remember, when we share what we learn, it reinforces our learning. So tell us also about what stood out for you from your last week. What are you changing? And what recipes are you using? Which do you love? What are your favorites? Alrighty, we'll see you tomorrow. Aloha.